Today I'm just going to talk you through a few products, a few little model helicopters which would be great gift ideas, also coming into Christmas. So let's have a bit of a look. So this one here, the Graupner Fun Chinook, this one here probably more for the kids. Really good for indoor flying, very easy to fly and really robust. And a really great price point, so definitely one to check out for the kids. This little critter here, the Blade Scout, this one's probably in between the MQX and the Fun Chinook. So it's a contra-rotating helicopter which makes it very stable, but you've got a lot more control. So this one here, again, very good for indoors, great one for the kids. So this model here, we're looking at a Blade MQX. So it's a little quadcopter. It's designed for flying in most environments, so you can fly it outdoors. It'll handle a little bit of wind. Indoors in a bigger space, so they're really cool fun. Really easy to fly, so it'll be a great gift for anyone from the kids right up to the kids at heart. But yeah, cool little helicopter. And this one here, the Nano QX, again a great Christmas idea, really good for indoors, very stable, very easy to fly, so it's a good sort of all-rounder for most people. So again, starting with the Chinook down the end here, really great price point, really stable, good stocking filler maybe for the kids. Moving on, we've got the Scout, again very stable. A Blade product, we do all the spare parts for them as well, so again very cheap, very easy to fly. Moving up, we've got the sort of quadcopter style helicopters, so we'll start with the MQX. That runs the AS3X technology, which makes it very easy for anyone to take a hold of and go flying. And then moving on to the Nano QX, so again a quadcopter, good for indoors, and that runs the SAFE technology, which makes it very easy to fly. So there you go guys, there's just some of our gift ideas coming up to this Christmas. But feel free to go through our gifts page, we've got plenty to look at and plenty of choice, so check it out.